Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today, we're using a new basket in the Weber 26, and it's from Greg over at the Woodshed and Barbecue with Slow Hand. Oh, hell yeah. Check this out. So with this basket, Greg had some ideas with some pizza pans, because if you use those clay air diffusers, whatever, they're expensive. Oh hell yeah, they're expensive. So he had an idea, and I came up with a new idea, same type of deal. But anyway, what I did, I took two 22-inch pizza pans. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Some U-bolts that I just drilled some holes in, suckered that thing together so you have enough airflow. Pop that on top of that basket while you're cooking. Your heat's coming off to the sides. Oh, damn. What a great combination, let me tell you folks. Damn it. Damn, that's awesome. So Greg's basket for the 26 is phenomenal. I mean, that cooked for, I had that going for about 5 hours. And there's still quite a bit of charcoal. That was barely a half a bag. And this air gap diffuser, she worked out pretty damn good. All the ribs came out amazing. The handles, like I intended, weren't gonna work with this grill grate. I mean, you could turn it the opposite way and your sides will pop up. Let me show you. So if you're rocking it like that, you're good. Still plenty of cooking space. And looking at that, you would have to have very small U-bolts, very small, or cut that gimmick out. Yeah, in order to get that to sit solid, you gotta cut that one or the other so it would slide in. I use lump charcoal, royal oak, about barely half a bag, and a couple hickory wood chunks I tossed in there. And she burned 275 to 300, 5 solid hours. Amazing. And there's still charcoal to go. And being able to utilize the majority of the grill, having that air gap diffuser in there, oh hell yeah. Guys, go check out Slow Hand's baskets. They're badass. I'll leave a link in the description below. And go subscribe to him if you've never seen his channel. Got some good ass content. And seriously, shakeout. And you're ready for your next cook. Throw in a little more charcoal, a tumbleweed or whatever, light that up, get her going. Oh, hell yeah. Those baskets kick ass. Greg, thank you so much. And I now get to utilize much more cooking space on my Weber kettle. I did love my slow and sear, which now I got back into my little 22. But man, having so much more cooking space, I rocked out some baby back ribs and a nice plate of beef back ribs that were amazing. They crushed. Best beef back ribs I ever made. Oh, hell yeah. Thank you. Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today, there was a bug in my eye.